In this video, we're going to take a look at our first task in spreadsheets, and that's going to be charting and graphing data. And so let's just get started with it. If you have an open, fresh spreadsheet here in Google Sheets, you're going to see I've got a lot of cells ready to fill. All I'm going to do is I'm going to plunk some data down in here. Now, when you plunk data down in Excel or Sheets to chart, you usually want to have it organized. So you want to have values either going across the rows, or you want to have more commonly the data going down columns. So that's what I'm going to do. So check this out. It doesn't matter where you start. I'll just start here. I'm going to keep track of what type of pet and how many owners, number of owners. And we're going to pretend we surveyed 100 people and we got some data. So I'm going to say cats. I'm going to say 28 people had cats. I'm going to say fish. I'm going to say 13 people had fish. I'm going to say dog. And we're going to have, I think it's actually quite a bit in Vancouver. It's like tons of people have dogs. I'll make up a number for reptiles here. I don't think you see this too often. I'll say like 3. And I don't know, birds, I don't know, we'll give the birds 7. And we'll leave it at this. So notice that I've got my data going down columns, and the matching numbers are side by side. So this is nice and organized, right? This is called a series of data. This is going to be one set of bars that I put on a chart. So they call that a series. Okay, so that's a definition we want to know. Now to get this charting out, all you do, include the headings. So include the headings and do a click, drag, and grab the whole area there. And then just go to Insert, Chart. And once you insert the chart, let me just make it a little smaller here so it fits on our screen well. You're going to see that it's charted out the data. First thing to check, make sure it looks right. So when I look at those numbers there and I look at my chart, I'm like, yep, the bars seem to be matching what the numbers say, right? Just to make sure that nothing's gone wrong. And then you get your nice little chart. You'll also get this window open up here that says Chart Editor. Okay, let's say you don't get this open. How do you get it? Well, you just click on your chart. You have 3 dots here, and you just select Edit Chart. And it opens up the Chart Editor setup and customize features. So in the next video, I'll just go through the main things you should be looking to set up when you do your chart.